Hello guys, so today it's another vlog and today's vlog guys we have the new product from Sigma. And guys, the Sigma 2470 f2.8 DGDN Mark II. Ayan, Mark II na siya. Yun. So guys, let's check the lens, compare with the version 1, and let's try to take some sample photos and use this lens guys. Ayan. So, let's go. So guys, let's start unbox this new Sigma 2470 and f2.8 DGN. So you have your warranty and catalog. So you have your bag here, bag with the main lens. First, for sure, this is the strap from the bag. Yes, this is the strap for the bag. Yeah. Okay. This is the lens, guys, with the bag, soft bag. Yeah. Of course, you have also your hood. Yeah. Yeah, this is the lens, and this is the hood. The filter thread is 82. You want to protect your lens, you can buy a filter, which is size 82 millimeter filter thread. And this is the hood. Voila. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, lock. And this is your petal hood. This is the new Sigma 2470 Mark II DGD. And let's try to compare with the first version. Yeah, and art series. Let's click. Okay. Now, aperture from 2.8 to 22, and you can use also automatic. So let's go, guys. Again, you have lock for zoom, I believe. When you zoom, lock, no. 24, lock. Yeah. So, but you can lock when you twist. Focus and auto manual focus. And guys, so lock for the aperture. And yeah, let's try to compare with the version 1. So guys, this is the Sigma 2470. We have the Mark 1 here and the Mark 2. So yeah, you will notice for the first look of that comparison is the aperture blade, which is already from the Mark 2. It's already on the Mark 2 body of the lens, which is, yeah, you can control the aperture through the lens, while the Mark 1, you need to control by on the camera itself. So, yeah. Size-wise, they're both identical for the size. Filter thread, they have similar to filter thread, which is 82 centimeter, 82 diameter filter thread here. Okay. Both art series, autofocus, manual focus, autofocus lock. I think this is the autofocus lock already. Yeah. You have on and off autofocus, and you have autofocus lock to bar 2. Yeah, here one. You have one, but in Mark 2 you have one, and you have one more here. So yeah, you have the click lock button for the aperture, which is you don't have in the Mark 1. And what else? I think, yeah, this is the aperture. Sorry, this is aperture lock, and this is lock for the zoom lock. While the Mark 1, yes, you have only from the zoom or the lock. So this is the two comparison between 2470 Mark 1 with the 2470 Mark 2. So let's try to take some sample photos using this 2470 of Sigma. Okay guys, we have the A7C up and with the Sony Sigma 2470F 2.8 DGDN Mark II. So let's try to take some sample photos to our colleagues here.
Just one
No, gitagaan ng call candle. Huli ba to or
What is this? 8 pieces? Wait, 1 piece only? Why in 8 pieces?
Take photo for me, pare, please. Yeah, the new.
Which one is camera? S7CR?
S7CR, yes. Buy this one, pare.
I'll buy S7C2.
Yeah,
How is this one?
it's good. Where's Sacre in this one? Julius. Both them did this.
What is it?
Yeah.
This item is not showing the system.
Orange. So yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, our product for today is the Sigma 2470 Mark II, DGDN Mark II Art Series. Again guys, this lens is a very good lens, especially if you want a zoom lens that you can use for everyday lens or everything in one lens. It's called all-in-one lens. Again, Sigma 2470. It's a very nice lens for everyday lens. At least you have 24 to millimeter up to 70 millimeter. You can use for wildlife, sorry, wide. You can use the wide as landscape and 70 millimeter for portraits. 2.8, not bad. So, and guys, again, regarding for the price, you can check to our website www.abworld.com. So I will not compare what's the photo quality, the Mark 1, Mark 2. But yeah, for me, if you have extra cash to buy the Mark 2, and if you like the aperture which is already in the lens, then you must take the Mark 2. Yeah, it's very useful sometimes where the aperture is already in the lens. But and the Mark 1 still a very good lens in 2024. So if you don't need the aperture which is already in the lens, then you must go with the Mark 1. It's fine. So and guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. So again guys, if you want to check the price and availability of new Sigma 2470 DGDN Mark II Art Series, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So, or if you want to check all the price from Sigma lens that we have, you can visit again to our website www.abworld.com. So, ayan guys, as of now, we have only mount for Sony. So, this is a Sony mount. So, ayan. So, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Thank you and mabuhay.